Hi, my name is Austin, here to introduce MAKTRAK, the next generation in modular storage. The MAKTRAK system will change the way workers transport, access, store, and organize their tools and equipment. I'm going to walk you through the unique features of the large toolbox that shares the same long footprint as the rolling tool chest and make it stand out from every other system in the market. The MAKTRAK system is engineered to open any box without unstacking. The dual-hinged lid can open from either side or be completely removed. The track mount lid with one-hand latch release can be attached in either direction. The glove-friendly latches provide easy access while wearing bulky gloves. The large comfort grip handle provides plenty of room to grab with larger hands. The horizontal design allows for maximum accessibility, being able to open from either side without unstacking boxes. By extending the space horizontally, we're able to fit long, common tools. The lid has multiple mounting points for more interior organization using number 10 screws. The unique MOLLE panel divider can be used to separate the box cavity or as a portable hand tool organizer. The storage tray is designed to fit multiple batteries, charger, and more. The hidden security tracker slot fits common tracking devices for additional security. The lids can be secured through a metal reinforced padlock eyelet. MAKTRAK is more than just a stackable toolbox system. It's the next generation in modular storage that's engineered for superior transportation, access, storage, and organization.